From the moment humans first looked up at the night sky, we have asked the same question: are we alone? For centuries, the stars seemed like distant, unreachable lights, scattered across the darkness, each one shining in isolation. Yet modern science suggests that the universe we see may not be the only one. Beyond the limits of our telescopes, beyond the observable cosmos, there could exist an infinite collection of universes, each with its own laws, its own stars, its own galaxies, and perhaps even its own versions of life. This is the multiverse, a concept that challenges everything we know about reality, space, and existence itself. To understand the multiverse, we must first understand the universe we inhabit. Every galaxy, every star, every planet is governed by fundamental forces: gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces. These laws appear finely tuned, precise in the design, allowing stars to form, planets to coalesce, and life to emerge. But what if these laws were not unique? What if, in another universe, gravity was slightly stronger or weaker, or time flowed differently? The consequences would be unimaginable. Stars might never ignite, planets might remain barren rocks, and life, as we know it, could never exist. The very fact that our universe allows life to flourish raises a profound question: are we one of countless realities, or is our universe somehow special? The idea of multiple universes is not just philosophical, it is rooted in modern physics. The theory of cosmic inflation suggests that moments after the Big Bang, space expanded exponentially, creating bubbles of reality. Each bubble could form its own universe, completely disconnected from the next, carrying its own set of physical constants, its own rules of matter and energy. These universes may exist unimaginably far from us, beyond our capacity to detect, yet they might exist simultaneously, layered in dimensions we cannot perceive. Quantum mechanics adds another layer of possibility. Every time a particle makes a choice, a path it could take, the universe might split, creating parallel realities where every alternative occurs. In this framework, every decision, every event, could spawn branching universes, and in some of these worlds, there could be versions of ourselves living lives we cannot imagine, making different choices, experiencing different outcomes, yet sharing the same thread of existence. Yet the multiverse is more than mathematics or physics, it is a reflection of human curiosity and imagination. It forces us to confront questions about existence, identity, and meaning. If countless universes exist, are we truly unique? Does our life hold the significance we assign to it, or are we one iteration among infinite possibilities? And if there are infinite realities, could there be intelligent life, civilizations, or entire worlds that mirror our own experiences? These questions stretch the boundaries of science and philosophy, blending empirical observation with existential reflection, reminding us that the universe, or multiverse, is far greater than our minds can fully grasp. The multiverse is also a mirror to the elegance and complexity of the cosmos. In contemplating infinite possibilities, we are reminded of the delicate balance that allows our universe to exist. The stars that light our sky, the planets that cradle life, the laws that govern matter and energy, all are part of a vast cosmic tapestry, one thread among countless patterns. By studying our universe, its expansion, its cosmic microwave background, its dark matter and dark energy, we gain insights not only into how our universe began but also into what might exist beyond it. Every observation, every measurement, every equation becomes a window into the potential infinity of reality, bridging the tangible and the theoretical, the known and the unknowable. The multiverse challenges our perception of space, time, and causality. What does it mean for a universe to exist if it cannot interact with ours? Could these realities ever touch, overlap, or influence each other in subtle ways we cannot yet detect? Some scientists theorize that gravitational waves or quantum fluctuations could carry faint signals from other universes, ghostly traces hinting at worlds beyond our own. Others suggest that black holes might serve as bridges or gateways between universes, connecting realms in ways that defy our understanding of physics. The possibilities are endless, and each new theory invites us to expand the limits of imagination, to consider that reality itself may be far stranger than we ever dreamed. If the multiverse exists, it also reframes our understanding of life. Life may not be confined to Earth, or even to our universe. In some universes, stars may shine with colors we cannot perceive, planets may orbit in unusual patterns, and life may take forms we cannot imagine. Perhaps intelligent civilizations exist in parallel realities, pondering the same questions we ask ourselves, wondering if they are alone. The multiverse suggests that existence is not a singular story but a vast network of possibilities, a cosmic library where every potential outcome has its own page, its own narrative, its own meaning. Philosophically, the multiverse invites us to embrace humility and wonder. It reminds us that even in our universe, the most fundamental questions remain unanswered. Why do the laws of physics take the precise form they do? Why does our universe allow for complexity in consciousness? Are we the result of chance, necessity, or a cosmic principle we have yet to discover? Considering infinite universes expands the horizon of inquiry, urging us to explore not only the external cosmos but also the nature of reality itself. In contemplating these vast possibilities, we are both humbled and inspired, realizing that our existence is simultaneously unique and part of a larger, incomprehensible whole. The multiverse also offers a perspective on time and causality. In some realities, time may flow differently, or events may unfold in ways that seem impossible to us. Every choice we make could resonate across countless parallel realities, echoing in worlds where we never existed, where circumstances diverged, where outcomes were rewritten. The very notion that our decisions might create ripples across multiple realities forces us to consider the interconnectedness of existence, and the possibility that infinity itself is not empty but alive with potential. Even as we contemplate these cosmic possibilities, we are reminded of the beauty and fragility of our own universe. The stars we see, the planets we inhabit, the life that surrounds us, all are fleeting, temporary expressions of a vast cosmic order. In studying the multiverse, we gain not only insight into infinity but also a deeper appreciation for the finite, fragile world we call home. Every sunset, every tidal wave, every human heartbeat is a miracle made possible by the laws of physics in this singular universe, a testament to the delicate balance of existence. As science advances, our understanding of the multiverse continues to evolve. Theories of inflation, string theory, and quantum mechanics provide frameworks to imagine realities beyond our own. Each discovery challenges our assumptions, expands our horizons, and invites us to confront the profound mystery of being. The multiverse is both a scientific hypothesis and a philosophical meditation, a bridge between mathematics and wonder, reason and imagination, observation and reflection. It reminds us that the universe is far larger than we know, and that our place within it is simultaneously small and extraordinary. Ultimately, the multiverse confronts us with questions about meaning, purpose, and perspective. Are we alone in this vast network of realities, or is life a universal principle, recurring endlessly across infinite universes? Does consciousness arise as a natural consequence of complexity, or is it something rare, miraculous, and unique to our universe? And even if infinite worlds exist, is it enough for us to know that we are one expression among countless possibilities, or does it inspire us to seek deeper understanding, greater exploration, and more profound connection with the cosmos? In the quiet of the night, when we gaze at the stars, the multiverse invites us to imagine, to question, and to dream. It reminds us that science is not only a tool for understanding what exists, but also a gateway to contemplating what might exist. It is a journey that stretches the mind, challenges the imagination, and elevates the spirit. The multiverse is a story without end, an infinite horizon, and a reminder that the universe, or perhaps the multiverse, is far vaster, stranger, and more wondrous than any human mind can fully comprehend. And so, we continue to look up, to explore, to calculate, and to wonder. We seek answers in equations, in distant galaxies, in the tiniest quantum particles, and in the imagination of what could be. We are explorers, philosophers, and dreamers, standing on the edge of infinity, peering into the unknown, and contemplating the unimaginable possibility that reality is far greater, far richer, and far more infinite than we have ever dared to imagine. The multiverse is not just a theory, it is a reflection of our curiosity, our creativity, and our enduring desire to understand our place in existence itself.